children. Good evening. How are you? Hope you all are good. Now children, it's time to start our today's session where we are going to learn something very important. Today, we are going to learn about saving water. But before that, let's see what are the learning objectives of this activity. The learning objectives for this activity are: introduce the concept of saving water, introduce the ways to save water, stimulate listening skills, enhance vocabulary. The resources for this activity: we need picture flashcard. So let's start our activity. Today we are going to learn about saving water. Children, in our previous class we have learned so many things about water. So do you remember? Do you know what are the uses of water? Huh? Is water is useful to us children? Yes, water is very useful to us. Do we need water every day? Yes, we need water every day. And what are the uses of water? We need water to drink. We need water to cook food. We need water to wash vegetable, fruits and to bathe, to clean everything. Even plants and animals also need water. So, water is very useful to us. Should we waste water? No, we should not waste water because if we will waste water, there will be a time when there will be no water and there is no life without water. Water is very important. But how can we save water, children? I'm going to tell you. Let's see. We should always keep the water taps closely tight so the water does not leak. And while brushing your teeth in the morning, when you brush your teeth, you should not keep the tap running. You should not keep the tap running. By letting the water, by keeping the tap running, you will waste water. So you should not keep the tap running. You should only open it when you need it. Otherwise, you should keep it closed. By doing this, you will save water. What we should do? We should take short showers while bathing so that we don't use much water. Instead of using so much water, we can use less water. By doing this, we will save water. And when we are watering plants, we should use watering can. By doing this also, we will save water. And children, we should not throw any waste or garbage in water bodies like river, ocean, sea. Any of these water bodies, we should not throw waste because water is finally going to come to our own house and we cannot use this dirty water, right? Yes, so we should not make the water of river, ocean, lakes dirty. We should not throw any waste in water source like river, lakes, seas and ocean because if we will throw the waste in them, we will only have to drink that dirty water. So we should not do this. And we should not wash our car or bike with water. What we should do? We should wipe it with wet cloth. By doing this also, we will save water. We have to save water so that we can use it. The water will slowly get over and we will not be left with any water. We have to keep the ocean, lakes, sea, river filled with water so that it rains and water cycle continues and keep getting water for drinking. I'm sure, children, that you are going to remember this and you're going to follow this. Now it's time to say bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.